Hey you guys, welcome to our new house. I am so excited, you guys. We finally did it. We finally bought a new house. This house was built in the 70s, so it is a split level. So I wanted to show you guys a quick tour of the empty house before we start doing some changes to it. So this room is our front room. This would be like your main living room area. However, for me, this is going to be my office. We're eventually going to have some sort of wall here, but it's probably going to be glass or something because I don't want like a solid wall here, because this room doesn't get a ton of light because we have a great big maple tree. So this room doesn't get a lot of natural light even when the sun's out, which isn't great, but we're gonna work with it. This is our dining room. The flooring isn't great. We're fixing that. We're actually fixing that today. And then here is our kitchen. By the way, I totally skipped around, you guys. We actually closed on this house yesterday. I was going to film the closing, but I was so tired and so emotional and so anxious with everything that I had my camera with me, but I didn't even think to pick it up. So we just got the keys yesterday, and today is like our first day of starting to work in the house. But anyway, we were originally going to keep these cabinets because they're solid wood. They're really nice. Like, they're outdated, but they're really nice. Like, they're all wood cabinets, but the bottom cabinets have MDF as the base and it's pretty destroyed. I don't like exterior hinge cabinets very much. And the drawers are really wonky. Let me show you guys. So the drawers are like real old, like real old. So these will have to go. We're actually going to rip out all the cabinets. We're going to rip out all the yellow tile. This sink I actually love. I was considering keeping this sink, but I don't think there's a way I can do it with being able to remove this silver band around it. So we're probably going to replace this sink. And then all the appliances are going because I can't see myself cooking on this stove. I mean, it would take me hours just to clean this oven. Like, this is horrifying to me. Now, the lady who lived here was older, so of course I understand things not being clean. And then the fridge is too small. So our plan right now for this kitchen, because we have this area as well, our original plan was to knock down these walls. Right now, we're debating on that. We think we may actually keep these walls because we kind of like the definition between the dining room and the kitchen. We're going to rip out the cabinets, put in all white cabinets. I might paint the bottom cabinets pink. I haven't decided yet. New backsplash, all brand new appliances because the dishwasher is a little scary. We're going to do butcher block countertops. And then we just actually ordered our appliances today, and they're going to take a while to come in. So this is going to be a project. The kids' bathroom, I just love the hanging rods that they left behind. That's all going. The tub's actually in pretty good condition, so we may just retile this. It was done recently, but it was not done well, you guys. Like, I like that they did the cutout there and everything, but whoever tiled this did not know what they are doing at all. So that will not stay. We're gonna do a new vanity. Half the rooms in this house have painted over wallpaper. We will be fixing all of that. It's a big project. So in here, this will be one of our kids' rooms. It's really dark in here right now. I need to fix the light. But it has one window, a decent sized closet. This is another children's room. This one has 2 windows and another decent sized closet, and a lot of children who are trying to be very good and quiet, which I appreciate very much. And then This room is our master bedroom. So we have double closets, which makes me so happy. So happy. Yes, we do have bifold doors. You know I hate bifold doors. These ones actually aren't bad, but we'll see about those. And I told you guys it was wallpapered everywhere. This wallpaper, which we think is over original yellow painted walls. I have not done wallpaper removal since I was like 10, so that's going to be a thing. And then welcome to my teensy master bathroom. We have a vanity here. I can put in a bigger one, which is nice, but this is all getting ripped out. And then we have the shower, which is horrible. It has this terrible shower insert. I hate this thing. It is gross. Now, the size of the shower is great, but the actual insert is real nasty. So eventually, this whole insert's going to get ripped out. We're going to tile the walls, put in a shower pan at the base, and then do all new fixtures and brand new glass doors. And we have a bathroom window, which I love with all my heart. I've always wanted a window in my bathroom because with dyeing my hair, it's so nice to just be able to open the window and have fresh air in. So here is our downstairs area. You turn this way and you have this closet space, which in there, that creepy little hole, is actually access to the water main. And there's also extra storage underneath the stairs. It's real creepy in there though. And then it's a closet space as well. So I'm not quite sure what we're doing with this space yet, but it's a really big area. Like you can put like freestanding shelving units in here probably too. And then here, this is our main living room. So this is where our couches are going to be, our TV, everything's going to be down here. So there is a fireplace. Yes, this is very ugly. Yes, this is getting painted. I love this mantle though. I'm probably going to sand it down and restain it. I don't love these little things that hold up the mantle. These are not cute, but I'm not quite sure how to fix or hide them yet. Now, we haven't even tried the fireplace yet. It looks really old, so we may have to replace it, but this is a gas fireplace insert. It used to be a wood-burning fireplace, and it's got this weird electric heater box added to the outside with like this big coil that runs on the inside to add even more heat. It's really ugly, so I do want to remove that, and we're going to basically have to test the gas fireplace and figure this whole situation out. We have no clue what we're doing with this thing yet. Now this area is going to be the kids' space. It's going to be a playroom. It's going to have desks for homework. It has a door straight to the backyard. And even though it's really dark, it's a really good sized space. So that is awesome. Then you come in here, we have the water heater, furnace, generator, all lives there. And then here is where our washer and dryer go. And here is a toilet. Just a toilet, just hanging out. So it's already plumbed for a half bath though, which is really good. That's plumbing for a sink right there. So we're going to put in a sink here and turn this into a half bath. It's going to actually add a lot of equity to the house, which is amazing. And then we're going to drywall and put really nice cabinets up there. And then we're going to find a way to wall this off a little bit or put like a separator so you don't hear all the noise from the heater and stuff. Oh, I also want to mention that all the flooring in the entire house is getting replaced. It's all carpet or ancient 70s laminate or peel and stick, and it's awful. All right, then in here is our garage. I am so happy to have a 2-car garage. However, the garage door openings are really small, so it's hard for my husband to get our big van in here. So one side of the garage is going to be for my little tiny car, and the other side is going to be our home gym space. We've wanted a gym space that wasn't the floor of our bedroom forever, and this space is big, it's brighter than the rest of the house, and it'll work. Of course, it's going to get freezing cold during the winter, so we're going to have to figure something out, but I think it's going to be the best use of the space. So I just wanted to give you guys a really good overview of the house. I'm not going to show you guys the backyard yet. I will show you it as we work on it. We're going to be adding a fence. We're going to be repainting the deck because they had some carpenter bee problems. So I need to repaint the whole deck because it's just like a deck and then it's got a concrete patio pad underneath it. It's not huge, but it's not small either. So we're going to be redoing all of that as well, but that's probably not until next spring. So anyway, I have a ton of work to do, you guys. I'm going to be filming as we're doing the work. Today I am actually starting on ripping out all this carpet, all of it. There's a lot of carpet to rip out. And then we're going to be working on starting to lay new floors. So I'm going to take you guys along for this whole journey, every bit of it, step by step. I'm so excited to be vlogging again. We'll see how this goes. It feels very awkward because I haven't done this in forever, but I'm so excited and relieved to finally have our own home. It's in a quiet neighborhood where kids ride their bikes and our neighbors have puppies, and it's just so lovely. It's not my dream house. I don't think anyone thinks a 1970s split level is their dream house, but it's in the perfect area. Like, it's not my dream neighborhood either because we ended up in a different area than I originally thought, but I think we're going to be happier here than in the area I originally thought we'd end up in. So I have a lot of work to do, but I think the house is going to be absolutely beautiful when we're done with it. We have lots of plans, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me.